Hey, we're setting up our nursery for our baby coming soon, and we wanted a dresser and also somewhere to change our baby. So this unit here, this is a combination dresser and changing table. So the height of this is about 36 inches. This took quite a while to find a unit with a comfortable height because you want it to be about that 36-inch mark. That way you can access and change your baby easily. And it's also a nice height for the dresser itself. This is about 56.5 inches wide, so this is a fairly decently sized unit. As far as the depth on this is about 19.3 inches deep. That is deep enough for baby changing pads. That was another thing that just took forever for us to find. I like the nice bright white finish. There's some nice touches on the sides and the bottom. My wife loves this thing. She thinks it's really cute. Hopefully my daughter does as well. The guard on the changing table here will rise up. There's some hinges on the back. So if there's an accident or you just need to clean easier, you can go ahead and clean this. Also, when your baby is potty trained and you don't have to change them anymore, you can go ahead and remove this and convert this right into just a normal dresser. So this should last for years for us. On the back, there's some anti-tip brackets here. We got to still install that, but these go right into the wall. You really want to make sure that you connect this to the wall, because what kids do, they start pulling out all the drawers and they start climbing up this thing, and there's a possibility these dressers can tip over. So I really like that these come with convenient anti-tip brackets. You got 3 smaller drawers up top. Everything pulls in and out nice and easy. And then we have 4 bigger size drawers on the bottom here. So there's plenty of storage for all of her clothes. As far as assembly, there were quite a bit of parts. It did take probably about 2 hours for my wife and I to put this together, but everything was pretty straightforward and fairly similar to the other self-building furniture that you'd find at IKEA or wherever. Now, initially when putting this together, I was a little skeptical of the sturdiness and the durability, but once we tied everything together and finished it up, I mean, this is fairly solid, so I am happy with the durability of this. I like the nice, elegant finish that this gives her room. The quality of it is fairly solid. I'm pretty happy with it. Overall, I think this is a good unit that you can use for both a changing table and a dresser for years to come.